Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Holden Captiva 7 LS, stock reference number 5311. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 9th month 2015. It has an LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LE9 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror indicator type. Left rear door full small dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door 4 small dents. Right front door 4 small dents. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise, audio and phone buttons.